In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove your payment method on Prizepicks. Now, this can be done on your PC on the Prizepicks website, or it can be done on your phone on the Prizepicks app. So it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to head over to Prizepicks and just log into your account. And you can find that login button in the top right corner of their website right up here. When you're logged in, it will look something like this, and we can actually find our payment methods by going into the top right corner and looking for this green plus button, which should be right next to your balance. So go ahead and click on that. From there, you'll be taken to the deposit tab and you'll be able to see all of your current payment methods. Now, they actually say on their website that you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. And they also say that you can only request to remove a payment method once in a calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. So if you've already tried to remove a payment method once in the same month that it is now, then unfortunately you will have to wait till next month. And if you're trying to remove a payment method before 60 days have passed since your first deposit, you'll have to wait for those 60 days to be over until you can remove that payment method. However, if you do meet all those requirements, you'll be able to see a trash button icon right next to any of these payment methods that you've used in the past. And in order to remove it, you can simply click that trash icon to remove them, and it will now be removed as one of your payment methods. So that's how you can remove payment methods on Prizepicks. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.